Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a set of pullback scooters which are 1/18 scale and are manufactured by Centy Toys, and I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of these amazing 2-in-1 pullback scooters and make side-by-side comparisons with the 1/18 scale licensed diecast scooters. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the packaging as always. To begin with, these pullback scooter models come in a card type blister packaging which looks decent. So as you can see on this top corner, you will see the Centy logo alongside the name of this model, which is Bestiva, with a few features these models come with. And on this side you will see the official Centy toy website and a Centy Toys quality product branding on the bottom. And on the back you will see the Bestiva branding along with the graphic of the 4 color variants this model comes in, along with a few features along with quite a bit of legal information regarding these models. So kindly pause if you want to take a read, and with no further ado, let's get this opened. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I came across these models online and they seem quite interesting. And this particular model by Centy Toys are available in 4 color variants, which is in blue, silver, red and white. And I've got all the 4 variants because they are quite affordable, and moreover by the looks of it, you get a bang for your buck. And right out of the package, you will notice that you will receive an additional kickstand which we will get to in a bit, so stay tuned. So with that being said, my first thoughts about this 2-in-1 pullback scooter model is that it has quite a sturdy build quality, although it's made up of ABS plastic. And if one didn't actually know that, they might think that this is a diecast model. And that explains the finish and the quality for the price you pay, which is awesome. And for a pullback scooter model, these come with some good details which are amazing and quite eye-catching. And the sculpt, the detail and the finish on this model is quite mind-blowing and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this diecast pullback scooter comes with a black chassis and base with a metallic paint scheme based on the color variant you get. And this color is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic branding and decals. This model comes with a black steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme, and this model comes with a well-detailed headlight unit which has a headlight, a speedometer, a handlebar, along with a pair of rear view mirrors, a pair of hand grips and a clutch and brake lever which are in black. Moving down is a well-detailed front unit that flows into a front fender that wraps around a beautiful metallic silver alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a single disc brake unit which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, you will find a well-detailed floorboard which is in gloss black with some graphics and the Bestiva branding in red. And as most scooters, the engine is housed inside the rear body sculpt, which has a single exhaust unit which is in black. And the rear unit is well molded and detailed with some awesome graphics and a 135 branding, and this touch adds some good detail overall. And this unit houses a double seat that is in black that has a leather texture to it, and this seat comes with a cool feature which we will get to in a bit. And this unit flows into a well sculpted tailpiece which has a hand grip, a tail light which is in red, a pair of rear turn signals that are in silver, and a mud flap with a number plate that has the Bestiva branding on it. And the rear wheel setup, unlike the front, comes with the chain and sprocket unit which is in silver, and also comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and has a pair of pullback wheels which you could use the pullback mechanism with or use as a stand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, This pullback scooter model measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 2.5 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 50 grams, which are almost the standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the main highlight features of this scooter model. And with that out of the way, I couldn't help but have a few giggles regarding the name of this model, which is Bestiva, which is an obvious yet clever twist to the most popular Indian scooter, which is the Activa. So let's take a side-by-side look of Centy's Bestiva and Honda's Activa, and do let me know what you think in the comments below. And now, for a proper scale reference, let's place Maisto's official 118 scale Vespa LX 125 diecast scooter replica and make a side-by-side size comparison. So let's go ahead and take a look, and do let me know in the comments below if the scale matches up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that these are beautiful and well-detailed pullback scooter models, and I'm glad I got these to add to my miniature motorcycle collection. And this is a definite must-have for any miniature motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a simulation toy enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for these 2-in-1 pullback scooter models in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place these amazing and well-detailed pullback scooter models on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and these pullback Bestiva scooter models get a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for their functionality. So with that being said, let's place these amazing Bestiva scooter models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on scooters coming up. A scooter or motor scooter is a motorcycle with a step-through frame and a platform for the rider's feet. Elements of scooter design were present in some of the earliest motorcycles, and scooters have been made since at least 1914. Scooter development continued in Europe and the United States between the World Wars. The global popularity of motor scooters date from post-World War II introductions of the Vespa and Lambretta models in Italy. These scooters were intended to provide economical, personal transportation. The original layout is still widely used in this application, and maxi scooters with larger engines from 150 to 850cc have been developed for Western markets. Scooters are popular for personal transportation partly due to being more affordable, easier to operate, and more convenient to park and store than a car. Licensing requirements for scooters are easier and cheaper than for cars in most parts of the world, and insurance is usually cheaper as well. The term motor scooter is sometimes used to avoid confusion with kick scooter, but can then be confused with motorized scooters, which is another distinct kind of scooter. And for further information on scooters, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these amazing Bestiva pullback scooter models, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about these amazing scooter models. And kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some cool and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up, and don't miss out. And please continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.